In this video clip, we'll work on question 6e. We want to draw the graph of the function, this one. Now, if you have the decimal or you have a graphing calculator, you can input your equation right here. That's y equals negative 2x squared and then minus 4x plus 6. That will be the picture right here. And you can see here there are 4 important points. One is the x-intercept. Another is y-intercept and then vertex. So when you draw a parabola, you want to mark all those 4 points clearly. Algebraically, how did we get that? So here is the way. Now let's explain that. Let me get my note out. Note is here, and we want a new note. Okay, so here we may do is copy the function right here. There's 2x squared minus 4x and then plus 6. You want to make this one be a complete square. The following ways to find out vertex. Okay, so you want to make this one be complete square, you first take negative 2 out. So then you have a negative 2 inside will be x squared plus 2. Leave 6 out, because when you do negative 2 times x squared, you get this one. When you do negative 2 times positive 2, you get negative 4. So that's the same. Now, how to make the complete square? Remember here we do have a x. X was here. Now, how to make the complete square for those 2 terms? So you want to do is 2 divided by 2 and then square it. So that's the constant you need. That's actually 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Originally there is no 1, so you have to subtract 1. Make this place be 0. Because originally there is no term, there was 0 there. Now then you have those 3 together. That will give you a complete square, which is negative 2 at the front. And here you have a x minus 1, or x plus 1. This one gives you 1. 2 divided by 2 gives you positive 1. So it comes here. This number comes here. Then square it. Okay. This 3 is a complete square, and then you have a negative 1 was there. Then plus 6. Okay. So then this negative 2 gets in times this quantity and times this quantity. So you then have a negative 2 x plus 1 squared. Negative 2 times negative 1 gives you positive 2 plus 6. Add those two together. So you have a negative 2x plus 1 squared equal plus 8. So then you know here plus 1 is x minus negative 1. And then we copy the rest of them. Here, this one, negative 1, gives you x. This is y value, gives you 8. This is how we get negative 1, 8. Okay? If you remember the formula, you do not have to do this. But if you do not, this is the way. Now, we know how to get negative 1, 8. That's the highest point. How about y-axis? Y-axis, y-intercept. For y-intercept, our function was this one. If you plug in value 0 here and here, then you get y value. That will be this point, 0, 6. Do we get 6? You see, we have a negative 2 times 0 squared plus negative 4 times 0 plus 6. Certainly we get 6 because of what? Because here 0 squared is 0 times negative 2 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. So the answer is 6. So this is how you get 0, 6. That's the point right here. Okay? So that's the y-intercept. How did we actually get x-intercept? X-intercept is basically the roots. You can do by factoring. Okay, you see, it was negative 2x squared minus 4x plus 6. When you take negative 2 out, you have x squared plus 2x minus 3. Then you do is factoring. Negative 3 is 3 times negative 1. When you add those two numbers together, you get positive 2. You get this 2. Okay? So then, negative 2 is still out. That will be x plus 3, x minus 1. Okay? And then from here, you know, when you plug in negative 3 plus positive 3, you get 0. So the whole quantity will be 0. And then this is how we get negative 3, 0 here, negative 3, 0. When you plug in positive 1 here, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay? Then you have a whole quantity will be 0. This is how we got 1, 0. So we have all the points we needed. Negative 1, 8 here. 0, 6. 0, 6 is the one we got here for y-intercept. X is 0, y is 6. That's why we got that. And here you do by factoring. All right, I'll see you next time.